I'm here with Mr. Williams. What we're talking about today is this. He's always talking about how you need to have so much mucho dinero to do something. Hey, sit down. And we're doing it live on the spot because we got kids yelling in the background, everything. But we got these nice little mics here. And what I'm going to do is talk about this trend app he got. What is it called?
It's called Trends Movie Reviews. It's my son James.
Okay. Look at this right there. You go.
It's my son James's movie and video game review YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Yes,
that we're going
sir.
to work on by using what?
By using our cell phone devices.
What tell me about that.
Smartphone.
One time you said that you need so much money.
I said I needed money
I need capital.
to get these
I need to raise money.
To get these ventures off the ground, man. And now I've been proven wrong.
Being resourceful is what I try to tell people.
Yeah.
Being resourceful. So what we're going to do is that we're going to play around with this right now. Now what I'm going to do is have him send me the logo of that thing he has for the trends thing. I'm going to actually edit it on the spot and show him that it can be done that quick in like 5 minutes. That's how simple it is.
Well, we're going to see if it's that easy.
That's that easy. I just told you that easy.
So you can do a vlog and everything like this.
Everything on this.
You can sit at home and
look how far we're away from it.
Review. But how is the Zoom? Is it going to be nice? Is it going to? So we can step our way back. So we can step back here.
One of the questions was, hey, how far? What about the lapel? How far is it going to go? Well, we're like at least. Adrian, how far is this away from that?
This is crazy.
Adrian, how far is this away from that? Use your mathematical skills.
How far is away what?
Are we about 24 feet away from this or something?
No.
3 feet?
Probably about 16, 18 feet. No, not 20.
That's what, did I say 20 feet away?
You said 20 something.
Well, either way, we're about 20-something feet away from it. Because one of the killer questions was, how far can you go back if the lapel mic is attached?
Yeah.
My wife doesn't see me do actual.
Now, how long would that record you?
I didn't even know you had
Yeah, you do.
I never seen this before.
Yeah, you have, babe, you see me recording people over at
I never seen
Caltuna.
a wire connected to you.
I know that because I hide it.
I've never seen the wire going.
Because you never see it because I hide it.
How the wire going that far?
Because I'm never that far away from it. Why would you need to see it?
How long can you record though?
Well, I've been recording an hour on this before.
An hour.
Adrian.
An hour.
Look, I'm recording an hour. Look, it's 27 minutes on it right now.
So how would I do that on mine?
You just go to the video.
Okay, I'm at the video.
Okay, and then you hit.
But it stops with.
No, it don't.
Okay, I'm gonna let it play. See, I got.
No, that's because you got a lot of time. You got a lot of stuff on your phone.
Oh, so I gotta delete some stuff.
Yeah, but you got 34 minutes if you want to do a video.
Yeah. Okay.
I done recorded a whole full-fledged sermons.
So how do you free space?
What I do, I got it's called a hard drive.
Yeah.
External hard drive.
Yeah.
You save it to it. You know that hard drive trying to get your boys to put this stuff on?
Yeah.
And they never know how to do it?
Yeah.
So the way I clear my phone off, I use a certain hard drive, clear all this stuff off, back it up, and then my phone's free.
You use it with that USB.
In my computer. It just transfers.
So there's no excuse now.
You never had an excuse before.
But what about buying the t-shirts, getting them printed on? That costs capital. Where do I get that capital from?
Somebody got my money. Show me, give me my money.
Okay.
Yeah. Because look, so someone has your money.
Right.
The money you got now is gonna be someone else's.
Right.
So somebody got your money.
Right.
So what you do is you put that shirt available online to them. Here's the shirt. The mannequin or whatever, they don't need to. It's done.
Yeah.
You don't have to have them all printed up for you. You have a warehouse full of stuff.
Yeah. And no sales. Right. Right.
But if you can build a relationship, because relationship's important.
Right.
Build a relationship with someone, right? That has a company like Paul.
Yeah.
It's part of Mosmoto.
Yeah.
That does all my stuff.
I need Paul's number. I can use my connection with you.
Yeah.
To get in front of him.
Yeah. You don't have to get in front of him.
But just talk to him.
You say, hey man,
and show what I'm trying to do.
So what you're doing is you sell the shirt first.
Yeah.
And then you buy the shirt from him.
So I can tell him I'm doing that.
Yeah. You can buy them at
it's like
you
drop
can buy 5
shipping.
at a time.
Right. Troy, you should charge for this information. You should charge for this information.
But you just said earlier, you said, why would you need to pay for that? You're supposed to who want to give the game away for free?
But a person who, but why? why should it be sold? I mean,
No, you just said it.
if I can save a life,
No, okay.
why should I? Hey,
so
you gotta pay me first.
So why?
Then I should say.
So why should I charge somebody this information?
I mean, I was joking, but
No, but why
could,
should I charge them?
I don't think you should. I think you should
do.
help
I should.
people.
Yeah, you think I do. You think
I'm not
I should?
saying I think you could.
Because you think
it's
I
been
should,
done.
and I am charging people for this.
Yeah.
But the fact is, I just made you now a fisherman, and not a person that's just gonna eat.
You did.
Fish.
You did.
I just made you a fisherman now.
You did.
So what? Like I told you before, I said what's important is that you create another person.
So now I can go
That's
do
when
this.
you got
That's right.
Now you're gonna create value,
Too
and then
much.
they're gonna go show them.
Right.
You're gonna show them exactly what I taught you. They say, dude, I need money. Why? Man, I don't have no money to get this started. Okay, so what you do is you got an idea, right?
Right.
You got a product, right? You said, I got a
Relationship.
product. You said, I got a product.
Yeah.
Okay, now if your product is valuable, then people buy it.
Yeah.
Then you get their money because they got your money.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Wow.
So if you take it just like the dope game, right? It's just like the dope game.
Yeah.
You got people that's gonna front you money, front you stuff, say, here goes some work,
Yeah.
and then you sell it and you bring my money back.
Right.
What you doing is somebody front you some money.
Yeah.
Here go, I need five, I got this shirt, silences, whatever.
Yeah.
That's dope, man, because I love the idea that you got because it's gonna start a conversation.
Yeah.
What I would recommend is
That's what I'm
this.
about.
This is what I recommend is this.
With the show, the same thing. I'm about getting people to talk. So I believe that can break barriers and everything. So with the whole show, my whole mindset is people.
So this is where I recommend that. You got your shirt, then you got you got your logo, and then you got the website on there. Then when they go to that, not only about the shirt, this is what it means to me. But then at the end you say, but it's all about what it means to you. Now,
and I can do it with this.
Done. You're welcome.
I've been most moto.
You welcome.
I'm motivated now. The mindset of successful thinking.